Hi all, Celtic Wolf here. Today we're going to have a look at the Emperor card. We see the Emperor as a bearded man with a crown on his head. He is seated on a stone throne which has ram's heads on it. He is holding an Ankh cross in his right hand and a globe in his left. Behind him is a canyon with a small river down through the bottom. If we look at his feet, we see that he is wearing armor, and he is clothed in a red robe. Now let's look more closely in the symbolic meanings in this card. If we look at the Emperor, we can clearly see that he is the father figure of the deck, the long white beard a testimony to his experience. The crown on his head is made of gold. Gold signifies perfection. The domed top of the crown is a clear indication of royalty. He is sitting on a stone throne, stone symbolizing stability. The throne is adorned with ram's heads, the astrological attribution of Aries. Also, it's a symbol of determination and leadership. He holds an Ankh in his right hand, his power hand. This represents balance and stability. In his left hand, he holds a globe. This represents dominance. There are mountains very far off in the background, showing that any obstacles are very minor issues. The canyon behind him is a correlation to the stone of the throne. All this rock is an indication of stability. The river is very small in comparison with the rest of the imagery. This shows that emotional influences are very, very minor. The armor that he is wearing is a reminder that even though the Emperor is an old man, he is also a warrior, and if need be, he is able to fight to maintain his stability. So if this card comes up in a reading, it is a sign of stability or a stabilizing influence coming into your life. And that's it for the Emperor. Next lesson is the Hierophant. So till next time, cheers.